Obviously, guys, some peoples are always stay favorite in our life. So today I will show you how you can add favorite or how you can contacts, how you can favorite the contacts on your Google Dialer in the latest update. Alright, this is very easy, but before starting our tutorial, I request all of you to subscribe, hit the bell icon for more technical tips, tricks, hacks, and secret settings and updates. Now guys, just go to your Google Play Store, alright, or App Store, then just click on the search button, search Google Dialer or phone by Google. Once you dial that, you search that, you will see an application which name is phone by Google, and that's have 1 billion plus downloads. Just update this application. After updating this application, just open it. Once you open the phone by Google or Google Dialer app, then you need to you will see here at the top on home page favorites. I already add one number, one contact here. Now once you come to home, then you will see here an option which is called add. So just click on the add. After clicking on add, you can randomly select or add anyone into your favorite number. Now why you need to add and what are the benefits to add in favorites. Once you add any number, any contact in favorite, this the most useful or profit for you is that these numbers are always shown here. You don't need to search these numbers repeatedly. Alright, these numbers always shown here. You don't need to search or find out that number when you need that. So this is the best feature, and I hope you will like I hope this tutorial helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye, best of luck.